thing I do, you got to put your pencils down. First thing I do is a thing called ready stretch. When I do that, everybody got to clap in unison. This guy, Bear Bryant, always talked about one heartbeat. I don't know if y'all know who that is. I think he invented football or something. I don't know if you know who that is, okay? He talked about one heartbeat. So whenever I get with my players, I do the same thing. I say ready stretch, everybody claps. So we're going to try it right now. Ready stretch. Oh, some are down, some aren't sure. Let's try it again. Ready stretch. There it is, much better. So that, now what just happened? What just happened? You locked in. You locked in. I may only get you for 10 seconds. Them butterflies creep in. You know, your players do it, my players do it. I call it butterflies because I was watching something with a bunch of little kids playing soccer, and I see them looking around at the butterflies. So I tell my players, the butterflies come in, my size 11 are going to come in, okay? And that's basically how simple it is. But that one little clap that you did locks you in. So if you got something important, like stretching, stretching's important, even though I like to do it really fast. My stretch takes about 7 minutes. My boss gives me 10, I'm going to take 7, because I know what happens if I go to 10. Y'all know too.